Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel. In this video, we are planning for the month of August in the Color Splash Plastic Size Happy Planner. I have pulled out a month of some different planners to use for the rest of the year. So the month of August in my Franken planner is Color Splash. I was so happy to see that the new Color Story 4 has a section of Color Splash stickers. So that's what we are using today to decorate this monthly spread. They all match the themes in the Color Splash planner. See? Look how cool is that? So that's what we'll be decorating with. Let me find some washi. I always like to start with washi tape. Okay, I looked through all this washi and trying to find some that the colors. Ooh, this one might work. This is from Socialite. Those colors kind of are similar. And this one has gold dots. I kind of like those stripes. Let's use that. Okay, so I'm going to use boxes, I think. August 12th is the first day of school. I'll put one there. I've got nail appointments. What else is going on in August? I don't think I have any days off that I usually like to use the washi to mark off like any time off or vacations or holidays. And I'm going to put a box there. So since I don't have that, I'm going to put the washi up here. Oh, look at those cute little scallops. This section is where I'll decorate because there's no dates on these boxes. And hopefully whatever stickers are going to go here will look good with this washi. I usually like to put some decorations, a quote, something like that in this part of the month up here. Wherever the empty boxes are, at the beginning of the month or the end, sometimes both. Just depends what day of the week is the first day of the month. Oh look, there's another box here. Okay, we better do that one. So the first is on Thursday. Oops. Again, it's just easier to start fresh. There we go. Okay, let's flip through these stickers one time. Is this the first page of the Color Splash? Okay, this is first page. So these are full box stickers. I would have to trim something if I want to fit it in the monthly boxes or put it on the side. These little tiny ones would fit though, and so would those, gold. This we could trim. Okay, but these two already fit. So let's start with those. Definitely the 12th. It's the first day of school. Look how pretty. I love how those boxes fit. And then this one fits also. So let me figure out what else I have going on in August. Okay, there is a birthday to remember on the 22nd. So let's put that there. Look how pretty that is. It's gorgeous. And then I do have nail appointments. Let me get, let's find maybe these or these today's. Those two today's are really pretty. And then we'll have to go find some of those little nail polishes to put there. These are gorgeous. We're going to definitely use some of these quotes and that stuff. Okay, let's use those two really pretty today stickers. Let's put one here. Where should it go? Like that? Oh yeah, like that. And then one here. Okay, I think we'll use this clear sticker because it's tall to put on this side in this little notes. And then I think we'll use those two hearts, like one above it and one below it. On this left column. Ooh, I really need my tweezers. think these washi strips would look so good with those stripes, these colors. Let's see, do these fit there? So these are meant to fit in your weeks, but I think we're gonna make it work. Oh no, don't stick there yet. We're gonna do another stripe here. I haven't figured out yet. We might need a like a black quote to go on top of these colors that will be bold enough. And we're gonna need something there. Let's get this strip. I like that contrast. All right, I went ahead and added this end over here in case I like it and just want to leave it. All right, let's try that. All right, let's figure out if one of these quotes will look good here and if it will fit. I think that think happy will fit. I think be colorful is too tall. Be kind will fit. I think this one's too tall. These would fit, but they're kind of small. I want something to go all the way across. This one, maybe. Let's try it, and if it's not big or bold enough, we'll go to our quotes book. Okay, so it's about enough for 2 boxes, but not really enough sticker for 3 boxes. I think it could look good here, but we'd want to come up with something else to put over here. I'd really like a bigger, bolder sticker though. Let me see what else we can find. Okay, I went back to one of the original sticker books, this one with the florals, and I found a big, bold quote, think happy, be happy. It looks like the perfect size and it's going horizontal. So I'm hoping this will fit because it's exactly what I was looking for. All right, let's see how it fits and if I need to white out anything. I don't think I will because since it's black, I kind of like the script lettering to kind of overlap on the washi tape. So let's do it to where I just want it to be straight. Maybe like, oh, the bottom words aren't exactly straight, are they? Something like this. See, that's kind of angled. Right, I want to put another quote in this little box, and I think this one will fit. I wanted to use this quote, but I know it'll overlap and you won't be able to read it as well. This one with the gold, I think will fit just on the white part, and you'll be able to read it. Okay, let's see how if this will work. Yes, I think it will. Try to get it straight. Perfect. Well, good enough. Okay, I got a couple of nail polish stickers from the Mom sticker book. These little ones. So let's put one here. One up here. All right, I also grabbed a birthday sticker from the Mom sticker book to put here. The new red teacher sticker book that's like the seasonal one has some back to school stickers, and there's one that kind of looks like the right colors to go with our, what is that called? Our little monthly sticker there. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Let's put that here. Let's see, we did birthday angled this way. Should we just do back to school straight? Or a little bit, let's do it a little bit like that. Love it. Right, I want to use these stickers, but I want a sticker that goes all the way across the bottom, so I'm going to have to make one. I think I'm going to take this quote and trim it so that I can use each line of the stickers and make the quote go all the way across the bottom. All right, wish me luck. Here we go. let's see, let's start with the first word today. So I'm thinking I'll put one on each day across the bottom, or maybe below each day. No, I think on each day. So today we'll go here. Okay, I think that's all for this monthly. I don't do a lot with the monthly spreads, but I like them for looking ahead at a few big things like time off, vacation, appointments, back to school, and birthdays. Those kind of things I like to put on the monthly. In my regular catch-all planner, I do some different things with the monthly layout in other planners. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.